This isn't just our world. We're sharing it. It may sound obvious, but every species that vanishes from our planet is gone. Forever. Every species that is lost is stolen from our children. Today, right now, there are 2,000 critically endangered species. Animals we all know who find themselves at the edge of extinction. Enough is enough. United for Wildlife is a movement for a generation which will not let that happen. A generation that will not stand by while our species destroys others. We want to act. We want to make a difference. We need to do it while there is still time. And sport is how we're going to start. No matter how you participate in a United for Wildlife event, you can make a critical difference. And by doing so, you support our work with projects big and small the world over. So, whether you watch, play, or organise, you can play your part. It's time to choose between critically endangered animals and the criminals who kill them for money. It really is that simple. So join us. We are United for Wildlife. Whose side are you on?